Go.
Hi, Ann. This is Lynn and Bart's bedroom ceiling fan, and I just wanted to show you it. It is running in a counterclockwise direction.
What else can you tell us about it?
And they should switch their fan. They almost never have the ceiling fan on. It's on low right now. They never put on high because high is they think high is way too fast. I think this is the same speed as Lynn's ceiling fan. This fan blows a little bit more air than Ann's ceiling fan, but I really like this ceiling fan. You'll have to Google the directions you'll have to Google your directions. This is their ceiling fan. You'll have to Google the directions for your finding out information. Bye.